Hello Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This reading is for 5th of of course 5th of May 2020, Twin Flame Soulmates Connections. I am SA Shell Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot. So I am AS, I am SA. Okay, so I welcome you here. Well, let's start with the reading now. I'm going to be using this deck particular. One card flipped out, so I kept it here as I do, and we will begin with the I'll use this deck as well. Okay, so this is for 5th May though timeless readings, Twin Flame Soulmates and connections. I see here that someone is trying to catch the ball with the tongue, T-O-N-G. Someone is trying to catch the ball, okay, but with the tongue, which is becoming so difficult. You cannot catch the ball, or you are unable to catch the ball. This ball, maybe this ball is another person's energy here. Okay, you're trying to bring focus of someone again in your life, or someone is trying to bring focus. Either someone is trying to catch you and you're the ball, or you're trying to catch someone who is the ball. So basically this is a playful way, but I do feel that someone is now no more enjoying this. Okay, you don't have a bat, you have a tongue, and this is something like you cannot catch them. You can't catch them because they're not convinced for something, or they won't get convinced for something again, or just not getting convinced. Twin Flame Soulmates and connections can go for any area of your life. You're getting the Magician at the bottom energy. Okay, now just look at it first and I'll read the message. The Magician is Archangel Raziel, and you are ready. You have the resources or the ability to manifest them. Life is magical. Possible there is something magical. This ball could be a crystal ball. This ball could be something that is connected with your fortune, and you're trying to catch it, and you're trying really hard to manifest something in your life right now. Okay, what are you trying to manifest? Some of you are trying to manifest Two of Air, which is Two of Swords energy. Okay, trying to bring back someone's focus, trying to remove the misunderstandings and confusions. So I do feel that being unable or unwilling to make a decision, a stalemate, pretending there is no problem. So maybe some of you are trying to catch it, trying to bring the playfulness in the relationship, which might not be coming right now because of the misunderstandings already prevailing, because of the decision that someone is unable to make, and that's why it is a stalemate. So even if you are with your soulmate or twin flame or connection source of, you people are trying possible, or people are trying to ignore possible. Those two things going ahead, because some of them are manifesting here, some of them are unable to clarify something. So bringing positivity, that someone is trying to put effort here and trying to catch the ball, that could be something that you're trying to mend. Okay, or bring back the communication on route. That's how we say, on route. So that's what someone is trying. But I do feel that this is like, for some cases, it's a pretend zone of you. Okay, so we'll start with this first card that came out. What is this? Six of Wands. Someone is trying to win over, and the words written lightning. I will read out because it is supposed to be, because it is on the card, but I'll go intuitive. Okay, so this is lightning denotes surprise, disagreeable, in accordance to distance. So basically this is about the distance between you both, or this is about emotional distance, or something that's striking every now and then between you both. Remember, these are timeless readings and roles can be reversed. This could be the distance prevailing. This could be someone who's trying to manifest something but is unable to. Maybe these are the trials that been done in so far. Okay, these could be your trials. That's why I said that someone is trying to catch the ball with the tongue. So this is about the lightning here. It's striked. So this could be the communication, or some, I do feel this may come as an awakening as well in you or in other person. So if it is coming to you, you might be getting strike with the lightning, which might be that you are thinking all of a sudden for a particular person, or all of a sudden for a particular situation. So to clarify it even to yourself, and that's what awakening is. It's about awakening. Let's put that word in enlightenment. Some of you are getting enlightened because of the lightning. Okay, you're supposed to do possible this whole stuff, It's about Eight of Pentacles energy, which is saying, sorry for the blab, which is saying that you need to take care of something very important. Otherwise, getting my message? If you will not take care of this, then it is otherwise. So this may contain with your manifestation of the dreams and the desires that you so want. This is also about something that's going out of hand, or it's so round right now that you cannot play with it for time being. This may connect with your work areas as well. It's about something that you are away from your dream right now. For some cases, this is being away from the dream, I feel. Okay, so maybe you need to run to different source. Maybe you need to rethink about it. Maybe you just don't need that tongue. You need to find out something else so that you can catch the ball, but a proper way. Okay, obviously. So this is the broken glass foretells ill luck for long years if near, whatever, but if distant, death of a friend. So these are the words written here, but I go intuitive. Okay, so the words written, but I feel like this is something that you don't want to lose on. You don't want to lose out on. This is someone who is very important to you. This over here, the death could be the transition or transformation with a friend particular, or with someone who is very important to you. This may say many things, but what I am getting, I'm going to be telling you that. So this is about the enlightening effect that you're going to get, and you will suddenly recognize someone's absence, or recognize someone's presence, which they are already there. And that's what enlightenment is, and that's what that you're going to retry something to organize. Eight of Pentacles. Some of you might be dealing with a Queen of Spades energy, which is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy right beneath it, which is quite amazing here. So an air element over here. And the words written, amore, is a sign that someone is looking at you with great love and longing. So either this is you looking at, or this is them looking at you. Maybe for some of you specific, someone is looking at you. But for them, this could be the end. Maybe they were your friend. Maybe they are your friend. But if you lose out on this particular opportunity, it's going to be opening a new path for you, which is about realizing, which is about this. If you lose out on this contact, and if you have done it already, this can go for that enlightening effect. Okay, so don't lose out on them. Okay, interesting. So let's see what's in your future call or future vibe. Okay, you have to realize some things now with this lightning. Okay, this is a surprise. So surprise can come in the form of suddenly realizing someone's absence, or suddenly realizing someone's presence but not appreciating it, and now you're going to be putting that, some with whom you might have disagreed on many terms. Maybe there's a distance between you and this person, and that's going to hit it hard, like to you or to the other person. So let's see what's in your future call or future vibe. Remember, second ghost becomes your past always. You have to work on this. Work on your karma. Work on your karma. Despair. Afraid to lose someone or something. I feel like this with the despair. It's something that you don't want to lose out on, and that's what you got recently the enlightenment about. And despair is something that you're sad and desperate as well. But despair, you're very, very much in pain inside, or something that you are feeling exactly like this. You hold some things, but you don't know what is going on around you. I see the crushed roses here, the leaves of the roses. Okay, so this could be or may connect with someone's feelings for you, or maybe your feelings towards someone, but you don't know whether they are going to deny it or accept it. So this is something that you don't want to lose. Fear of losing something, I see. If it is connected with the house, this could be exactly your place where you are living right now. This could be the relationship you are in. This could be someone you have feelings for, or you love them from distance or from near. Could be husband, could be wife, could be anyone. A friend as well. You might be missing. This could be someone you are missing from your home place, city, but you can't go there right now. This could be something that you want so desperate. This could be the position. This could be your own cottage or bungalow or home or property, business, okay, money related. Wow. Right beneath house, it's a friend. So possible this is a friend. A friend who lives in here. A friend who is very much connected to you. A friend with whom you spend a lot of times. Or maybe this is the time when you will call back that person or this friend, okay? So now we are going to take out cards from this. Where you are coming from, what's your now, and what's your future. Okay. So it's 5 of water. Some of you are coming from 5 of waters. Oh gosh, you just got the awakening. Goes so well with that lightning and goes so well with that awakening and enlightenment. So awakening, Archangel Gabriel, and look at things from a different perspective. A temporary standstill. It's important to be yourself. Before you make any sort of move in life or decisions right now, think about it. Please think about it, okay? So 5 of water is, even if you went through this, 5 of water is 5 of cups. Some sort of disappointment is lingering on within yourself, and you're suddenly realizing, and maybe you started appreciating someone, so you don't want to lose out on someone. Absence of emotions that you have gone through right now, or disappointments between you and the other person, between the 2 of cups, that you still want to hold on to and you want to reoccur, means recur, what's that word? You want to just bring back those things again, because you are pause and then make a move. Some of you might be dealing with an air sign, I said so. So Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Things not turning out the way you'd hoped, not seeing the positive in a situation, crying over spilled milk. Oh, but that's your card at the bottom actually. I still need shuffle. So possible this is just like telling you that no need to cry over what you lost actually. So try to put effort right now, in the now, with the person, so that you can bring back 3 of waters, a celebration, okay? So we need to stop here. I'll cut the deck and I'll pull I'll pull 3 cards. So where you're coming from. You're getting Queen of Waters. That is Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces energy, but your energy as well. So you're coming from tender-hearted, empathetic, patient and loving. And the message is relationships develop to a new level. Trust your intuition, care for yourself and others. So possible this enlightening and your way of looking forward to bring and convince or overcome something in your own life, your own emotional state as well. Coming out of lightning effects, coming out of something that's being said to you. Whatever is, you're going to be more empathetic, okay? Or you have recently realized when you got into enlightenment that I have to be tender-hearted for someone specific, maybe for the relationship, maybe for the person you are dealing. So this is how the playfulness is coming back again with the dolphins here. 8 of air is beneath. So an illusion of being trapped, a lack of self-confidence, afraid to take action. So afraid to even lose out on someone. 8 of swords, something was going on in your mind. So now you're going to be taking care of it. What's in your now? Your now is the call of bringing back the memory lane, bringing back emotions, bringing back appreciation. 2 of waters, 2 of cups energy, which is about coming again, reuniting with the lover already you are with, reuniting, bringing love in the relationships you lost contacts with, or being with someone you actually want to be with. And that's why that despair is connected. Well, but your now is all about the lightning, enlightenment, a relationship that continues to grow closer. Forgiveness is coming. Maybe you're asking for forgiveness. Maybe someone else is doing that. The positive resolution of a conflict. So whatever is, you're trying very hard over here to bring everything on or en route or at one place basically. What's in your future call or future vibe? 2 of fire. 2 of fire is 2 of wands energy, okay? And this is about either you can choose to be in the despair or you can make a move deciding on a very broad outlook basically. It's about thinking out of the emotions and taking action for whatever you want. So whatever you want to bring back, you need to put effort to. And you cannot just think short time, you have to think broad. Like on a broader horizon. You have to stretch it. So you have come into your own. New partnerships or contracts continue to move forward. So don't think that this is over. No, after the despair, after whatever you have gone through, and you will get the enlightenment over here, you are realizing some things wherein you'll be at the position to make a decision. So this is about the future planning and future decisions. You might be asking from someone about the decision, yes or no, or you might be asked from someone about the decision. Okay, so we'll see what's beyond this. I see positive for work. If you are stressed about that, hold on to. Don't think that it's the lightning and everything is gone. No, you can still save it. Okay, don't think about those things. So Two of Fire is the decisions will be coming between the two. Possible this is about the partnerships and contracts. You are getting Page of Earth. This could be with the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy as well. This could be your child. This could be someone in specific. This could be one partner and one child. Okay, so can go that way, or two children, or one partner. Page of Earth, scholarly, dependable, patient, successful. Good news about financial matters, wanting to do something more challenging, a new area of study. So some of you will be deciding in the coming time of 2 months where your life will be heading, especially connected with new study or something. For some things or some cases, this is specifically dedicated with you wanted something but you couldn't go there because of the current situations as well. So don't worry, that might be making you sad, but this is going to open new horizons for you again in the coming time. And it is also something connected with a decision with the person. So someone is over here is getting strong with you, or you are getting sincere about. This can go for the communication or conversation to and fro between both of you. Some of your concern is about money and work related, which is about you want to be not want to be dependable, you want to be successful, and you are having a lot of patience. This can be connected with the upcoming work or something. That's a good sign. You might get a project or something. Good news about financial matters. So this is what you're going to get. Ten of Fire. Need to put a lot of effort here, and you have to work for this to prove your mettle here. Ten of Fire is Ten of Swords energy. I do feel some of you are coming to a closure with the documents, closure with something documents. This could be the custody. For some cases, this could be something that someone is talking about. Okay, this fine. I also think about this about the decision between should I be with the person or shouldn't I. Possible this is someone else is saying, and that might make you despair. Page of Earth is possible coming from Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I do feel that they don't want to be in this dependable relationship or something. They want this freedom. Okay, so Ten of Fire can go for that closure. The end of a difficult situation, embrace the change and expect things to get better now. Recovery from an addiction. So for some cases, this may be someone will stop it. Addiction could be of talking possible, or someone who cannot now stop themselves but they'll end up talking with. So this can go for endless or ton of communication as well. It all depends upon what you'll do with this Page of Earth. Okay, decision, Page of Earth. Two of Wands is coming here, planning and preparation. Okay, you will connect with someone who is financially stable as well. So possible this is about the person you are dealing. Take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.